Welcome to the lecture on miscellaneous materials. So in this we shall discuss aluminum composite panel cladding. So what is used? The aluminum composite panel, or better known as the ACP. It is well known as ACP, stands for aluminum composite panel, is one of the most preferred construction material when it comes to implementing modern day architectural and interior designs. So these aluminum composites are mainly used for interior works, for preparation of the furnitures, even for giving the architectural appearance. So these aluminum composites are used. Normally for hotel buildings, for malls, this sort of composites are used for cladding work, for vertical supports and whatnot. Catering to this even ever-growing requirement, there are now several units engaged in aluminum composite panel manufacturing. Eurobond is a pioneer brand when it comes to modern-day aluminum composite panels. It's in India. Over the years, the company has developed aluminum composite panels that are ideal for a variety of applications. Here are some of the major applications of this wonder material. This is the modern material. Nowadays, it is used in the construction industry. So here, it replaces the tiles cladding. It replaces the in situ plastering work also, because the appearance, the elegance, the beauty created by this aluminum composite is very pleasant, and that's why aluminum composite panel claddings are nowadays preferred in almost all types of buildings. So where applications, it is used for cladding work. It is used for cladding from the front side. It is used for partitions, preparation of partitions. It is also used for preparation of false ceiling also. It is used for signage, for preparation of signboards also. These aluminum composites are used. So this is about aluminum composite panel cladding. Now coming to ceramic product. Since olden days, in one or other way, ceramic products are used in the construction. What is the ceramic? A ceramic is an inorganic, non-metallic solid made up of either metal or non-metal. It may be of metal, it may be of non-metal compounds that have been shaped and then hardened by heating a high temperatures. In general, they are hard, corrosion resistant and brittle. So these ceramic products are used in the construction industry for preparation of various types of pipes also. The ceramic products are used. So we shall discuss the uses of this. First, properties of ceramic products, and then uses. The ceramic properties of the ceramics or ceramic products. Ceramics are best known as brittle. Ceramic products are brittle. Solids particularly suited for withstanding high temperatures. It withstands very high temperature. These are brittle. In fact, the different materials used in ceramics can give them a wide range of properties. Various types of materials are used for preparation of the ceramic products. These are heated to a high temperature. This can be given glossy appearance also. Nowadays in the market, you will find various types of ceramic products. The classic properties of ceramic products are: it is durable, it is long lasting, it is having long life, it is having good strength. These are brittle. These are having high electrical resistance. It possesses high thermal resistance and an ability to withstand the damaging effect of acids. These are acid resistance, oxygen and other chemicals because of their chemical unreactive. These are chemical unreactive. There is no effect of the chemicals. So in case of water closets for sewer systems, so these ceramics are used. So what are the various ceramic products? So here you can say ceramic products. So this is the water closet pan. Indian type water closet pan is well known to you. In the water closet, this type of pans, आपण भांड म्हणतो मराठीमध्ये, it is used. So it is of ceramic. So these are the footrests, and this is Indian type of WC pan. So these pans, and in fact, these are available in various sizes: 12 inch, 14 inch, 15 inch, 16 inch, 18 inch, based on the inches. Sizes are given in the market. Centimeter also the WC pans are available. Apart from this, the ceramics are used for preparation of this type of European pans, also wall hangs. This is also called as wall hangs. So here, this is the flushing cistern. Flushing cistern is of different material, but this is of ceramic products. Here you can see basin. Again, basin also there are various types of basins. So this is vertical basin used here. So ceramic products are used again for basins, for these wall hangs. Various sizes are available in the market, starting from the 12-inch. Starting from the 12, normal 12 inch is treated as a minimum size. 12 inch, 14 inch, 18 inch, 20 inch, 25 inch, depending upon the requirements. The ceramic products are used. Now these WC pans, these are provided with the various types of traps. Here the traps are made up of ceramic products. P trap is there, S trap is there. So if you see in the water closet, if you flush it, still then you will find there water table will be available in the pan. So that is possible with the help of this type of traps only, P traps and S traps. The name is given based on the alphabet. So here it is having alphabet S shape, that's why it is called as S trap. This is having P shape, that's why it is called as P trap. This is here, it is clearly visible. This is the P trap and this is the S trap. The main function of this trap is to maintain the water level in the pan. So if you see after flushing, you will find the water level in the pans. And why this water level is maintained in the pan? Because due to this, foul smells will not enter into the water courses, and for that purpose water seal maintained. Normally water seal, it is 7 centimeter water seal is there, you should find here. If water seal is not maintained in water seal is not maintained in the pan, in that case the foul smells will enter into the roof. So these traps, P traps, S traps, these are also made up of ceramic. Nowadays these are having very good appearance. Glossy appearance are also given with the help of silicone, in oil manufacturing these traps. Apart from this, now these are the basins. Various shapes are there. This is rectangular, square, circular also. Again decent colors are also very good, attractive colors are given to the ceramic products which are prepared. In case of this also, it may be of 12 inch, 14 inch, 15 inch. If it is asked in the exam, you can write the 12 inch, 14 inch, 15 inch, 16 inch, 18, 20, 24, 21 inches. So variety of sizes are available in the market. So you can write starting from the 12 inch. So these are the various ceramic products which are used in the construction. Apart from this, the ceramics are used for preparation of the pipes as well as this type of fittings also. So sewer pipes, normally in ancient days the sewer pipes were used. Normally sewer pipes by municipal corporation, these are used of the ceramic products. So here you can see the ceramic fitting. This is T, and this is called as Y. When inclined and straight, pipes are to be fitted together. In case of that, this Y is used. Double Y is also used in construction. So this is all about various types of miscellaneous materials. Hope you understood conceptually. As far as these miscellaneous materials are concerned, from exam point of view, only uses will be asked in the exam, and properties will be asked in the exam. So this is all about various types of miscellaneous materials